asking you for it. This is a traffic stop. Yeah. I'm not giving you a verbal warning. I'm telling you. All right. So this guy, not wanting to identify, he's not going to step out of the vehicle. I can tell you that right now. He's recording his taillights up. His left one. And he's going to be recording you. He's one of those.
Deputy Carroll with the Pollution Sheriff's Office. Can you turn that down? Do you have your license, registration, and insurance for the vehicle?
You the supervisor?
Do you have the license,
Are you the
registration,
supervisor?
and insurance for the vehicle?
I do. Are you the supervisor?
Okay, go ahead and have.
Are you the supervisor?
Are you failing to identify yourself on a legal traffic stop?
He's asking to talk to him. Now he's on his way.
I asked for a supervisor and they
Delta
send
9,
another
be
fucking
advised he
deputy.
is being
No. I
really
asked for a supervisor.
agitated,
Y'all refusing me a supervisor.
refusing to identify, refusing
And you refusing a
to get out of the
supervisor
vehicle.
over a freaking taillight out. And you refusing a supervisor, you send another one that wastes my time.
Listen, it's a legal traffic stop.
So I pulled him over because his tail light's out. And the second that I walked up, he starts arguing. He's not wanting to give me his driver's license, not his registration. He's pulling the whole, oh, there's no reason you're stopping me.
Did he give you his stuff?
Nope.
You want to speak to the supervisor? I'm the supervisor. So do you have your driver's license and registration?
You're the supervisor. Where's your badge?
Does that help you?
No, don't. How do I know you're a supervisor?
I just showed you. There's right there. Okay, well, I'm the supervisor. I'm Sergeant Levin with the Sheriff's Office. How can I help
Call the
you?
police station.
Okay, do you have your driver's license and
When I call the police
registration? Nope,
station,
get out of the truck.
Why? I'm verifying.
I don't care.
You're the supervisor. I
That's
just
fine.
want to
Get out of the truck.
Okay, wait.
No, we're not.
Okay, I'll give you.
Get out of the truck. Watch out.
I'm getting out. Let me get out. I'm getting out. I'm getting. Relax. Don't slam me.
No,
It's fine. It's fine, bro. Listen. Hey, relax. This arm is broken.
I don't care. Put your hands
I
behind your
just
back.
wanted to talk to the supervisor.
No, you didn't. You want to play fucking smartass, and now you can go to jail. No.
Can I tell you what
No,
happened?
you can't.
Is he going to look at us?
Oh, watch that arm. Watch that arm. Please, hold up. That arm is broken.
Okay.
Hold on. Can you just tie me up front, please?
No.
This arm is broken.
Quit resisting and you won't have a problem.
I'm not resisting, boss. Look, can I just explain myself, please?
Nope.
You're the supervisor.
No, I'm not, remember?
I just didn't know, that's all.
I showed you my sergeant.
I don't know how to
told you
read. I don't know how to
Sergeant Levin with
tell.
the Sheriff's Office. I'm not
Okay,
here to play games with you.
okay.
Congratulations, you're going to jail.
Sarge, can I please talk?
No.
Please.
Spread your feet.
Please. I don't have anything. I'm not even.
Okay.
I'm tired. I just got off work, dude. That's all.
Don't be a smartass and you won't have to worry about
it's
it.
just, look.
No.
Please, let me just talk to you. Like,
There's rules on how this stuff works.
She told me that the light was out. I did it.
Yeah, they're not properly working.
Sarge, I don't have nothing.
Okay.
Whatsoever going on. I'm tired.
Back here.
I'm just trying to get home. Please. That's all.
Now you're going to go to jail and then you can go
Why?
home.
Please.
Because this isn't a game.
I'm not trying to pull a game.
Okay, well, congratulations. Now you've met the sergeant and you can go to jail. Step yourself in the car.
Please. Can we just
I'm going to
talk?
ask you one more time to step into the car. I'm going to put you in the car, okay?
Can we just talk, please?
Yeah, I'll talk to you in a minute. Get in the car.
Can I make a call to my wife?
Get in the car. I'm not going to ask you again.
You ain't going back.
Babe.
One of the not do it.
Wait, I got a lawyer.
Okay.
You arrested?
Yeah, why am I being
Stop resisting.
Don't resist.
Stop it.
I'm not running nowhere. What's going on?
You're warrant for your arrest for perjury.
What's perjury?
Perjury?
What is that? Can you give
It
me
means making a false statement.
Are you kidding? Take, please. Perjury for what?
That's just what the warrant's for. You'll have to talk to the courts about that.
Wow. So a true statement that I have recorded from his
Can I
arrest.
show you my video, officer, please?
You're gonna want to talk to your lawyer about that, all right?
Wow.
Can I get some shoes real quick?
Yeah, can you get some? You see, you have some sandals and
What do I do from here?
He has a $50,000 bond.
50,000.
So he'll be up at the Volusia County Branch
All
jail.
because the police don't want to get in trouble.
Just hang tight, dude. Let's just get in here. Yeah.
Watch your feet.